It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 19th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Another week with above average temperatures here across the Southwest, but a big break in the weather pattern is looming on the horizon, one that leads to cooler temperatures, and could it even be accompanied by just a little bit of rain? Well, we'll talk about it first. Let's dive in and take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 96 degrees the afternoon high, 65 the morning low, the normal high 88, the normal low 64. Outside now here at 6:20 a.m. The sun coming up over the valley, some high clouds out there as well, and we're sitting at 70 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, relative humidity 23%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area this morning, very pleasant start to the day once again. 50 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 52 at Goldfield, 58 in Gilbert. Most locations around the metro are in the low 60s to about 70. Here's the upper air look. The westerlies, of course, remain well to the north. Active storm track up there, but here across the southwest, a 588 ridge is still in control, and that will remain more or less the dominant weather feature here for the upcoming week. As we take a look at the watch warning map, how about some winter weather advisories up across parts of Montana? Certainly feels like fall with the snowflakes flying there, but here in the southwest, things are very quiet. Speaking of quiet, convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather across the country. And we haven't checked in on this map in a while, but with very dry conditions having been in place for so long across Arizona, the drought monitor not looking good. Nearly the entire state is in at least a severe drought, with 77% of the state in extreme drought. And from Phoenix down to Tucson, we are in the highest drought category, the D5, exceptional drought zone. And conditions are expected to worsen through the rest of October with very little precipitation likely. Speaking of, let's check it out. The precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. At least there's something here. Rain amounts generally under 1/4 of an inch up across the rim and in northern Arizona, just to the north and east of greater Phoenix. And we'll take a look at modeling, see what's going on with this weather pattern now as we detail it. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Still have our same old weather pattern troughing over the northern tier states, a Rex block out here in the west with a northwest flow aloft across Arizona. Down at the surface, more of the same today. Some cirrus clouds coming through from time to time, partly cloudy skies, high temperatures 94 to 97. Tonight, with mostly clear skies in place, just a few high clouds around, lows drop into the upper 50s to mid 60s. And tomorrow, a few high clouds, otherwise mostly sunny, high temperatures once again 94 to 97. Might take a degree off the afternoon highs on Wednesday, and lower high temperatures ever so slightly Thursday and Friday, but we're still going to be up in the low 90s at least. Now, as we hit the weekend, the weather pattern really starts to change over the western United States. Now, the exact evolution of that change is still somewhat in question, but the GFS portrays a deep trough beginning to develop and progress through the northern Rockies, the Pacific Northwest, and that will send a cold front through the western United States. Highs on Saturday should be in the upper 80s to about 90 with partly sunny skies for us here in Phoenix. On Sunday, the cold front comes through, breezy conditions, maybe a few showers in northern Arizona, but we stay dry, partly to mostly sunny, and high temperatures. How about low 80s, maybe mid 80s, 81 to 84 for Sunday. But some of the guidance is actually showing that a vigorous upper low will develop over the Pacific Northwest on Friday night, drop south through the western states and detach from the main flow, setting up a cutoff low here over Arizona, and that could lead to even cooler temperatures and maybe some better chances of precipitation late in the weekend or early next week. That right now is kind of an outlier solution, only shown by about a third of the ensemble guidance, but it's something that's on the table. The bottom line that you should take away from this is cooler temperatures are coming. Hopefully we can squeeze some rain out of this, but at this point that's more of an outside risk. All right, let's go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 26th, and the GFS shows this progressive pattern with the trough now moving into the plain states and northwest flow aloft. Heights are down a bit, high temperatures around 80 or so if that's right. But then as we head out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 28th, you can see the GFS builds ridging back in here. This would lead to a return of above average temperatures, nowhere near as warm as we have been, but highs would still be pretty close to 90. But let's take a look at precipitation off the European ensemble, and you can see there's a subset of members here that are trying to introduce some rain by late in the weekend or early next week. It's maybe about a third or a little over a third of the members, and so the ensemble mean is still only around 1/10 of an inch. So we're not talking about significant rainfall, but still something to watch. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models were still in the mid or upper 90s for the next few days, but then readings really lower. How about low 80s or around 80 early next week, and those overnight lows drop in the 50s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Watch yourselves and each other around the pool, and have yourselves a wonderful Monday.